I think today some universities like AKU, IBA, LUMS and Habib, some other universities from the public sector, like British universities, we have come together to discuss various things about undergrad education, its restructuring, its possibilities. Can we think of some joint programs? Can we think of restructuring the undergrad education? I think the main concern remains how to prepare our students to the life which is very, very unpredictable, both for the faculty as well as the students. The future is quite vulnerable. So, how can the undergrad education, the university education, could it still be relevant? Could it still be meaningful? Could prepare them for the life ahead, make them the citizen that we want to have, and still go to a future that appeals to everyone and create a better world. I think let's see, it's a conversation. Let's see how these conversations transform. Let's see how these conversations develop. It's a work in progress, it's a debate in progress, and I look forward to further conversation in this regard. Thanks.